Dala na anami diri mga higaman. Anami nakaparking nami diri. Ano si Alvin?
Just black? Two and black? Go, RJ.
There we go, RJ. Oops.
That is not season. It's going to be the same as yesterday. Everyone else walks on this.
Ah. Oops.
Him?
Yeah.
It's holding the side.
Oh, it's not
Get back, bud. Get back. Foul ball. Good swing. Yeah. Go.
No, run, AJ.
Slide. Go home.
No.
Get down!
Oh.
That's so slow.
Got down, you would have had it.
Cash here.
Okay, babe, we'll see you after the game.
Go hit the ball, RJ.
Oh, it's not there. You got 4 balls ago.
Oh. RJ. Hit RJ.
Don't get him there.
Good eye. Full count. You gotta throw you a strike. You're on. Hey, come on in. There you go. Kick it.
Oh.
Good pick.
Oh.
Tag him. Ooh, that's a good catch. Good throw out there. Wait, gotta wait. Jada, wait till the umpire gets there for your pitch. Now. Oh, good stop. Hey, just throw 3 strikes. You got this. Don't throw crazy. There you go. Good one. Throw to third.
No. That'd be a run.
All right, here we go. Good pitch. There it
There
is.
you go, good pitch. There you go. One more, bud.
One more.
Just like that, Caden. You got him.
Okay, you got this. One more strike.
He's right there.
There it is. Got. Oh. One more.
Good job, bud. Way to throw. You're good. You're getting it.
Wait. Stay with him. Oh. Getting a piece of it.
Hold on. Wait till everybody's there. Okay.
What if he doesn't?
You got one back. Yeah, 15 fence was there. That would have got straight in the nose. Nice.
14 to eat.
Maybe faster.
It's done. RJ, look at RJ. Yes, Dad. Okay, we're good now.
We lost again.
We lose. How much that? 8 to 17. Okay guys, we done. My goodness. It's lost again, RJ. Healthy RJ. Yeah. No, almost. There's the other team, not yet finished. Yeah. Dala-dala mixture pero wala na gamit. You drive, anak? You drive?
No, you do.
Okay.
There's the pillow, it's wet.
Okay. I drive. My God, it's wet. Okay. Wet my lubot this. Wet my lubot this ano.
McDonald's. McDonald's?
That's where they want to go. Foods, but McDonald's is.
It's so bright.
Your favorite place is here. Can I have your phone?
Oh, no, I know the score. I looked
I
at it.
know.
It's 8:34.
Oh,
Pero mayroong
who's on
pang araw. Navigation honey, tell me.
the- Take a left.
I will look it up.
Okay, where we go? Straight?
It's
Yes.
McDonald's.
It circles around. Make a left here. So it's not straight. Let's make a left.
So they won the
Left
series.
here.
I don't know how they won the series.
We played 2 games.
Not so cold today.
Yeah,
Look
that-
like vapor so cold.
Had a breeze last time.
Yeah.
Pax better save this team or it's done.
It wasn't there, right? Was it?
Yeah, if he doesn't save the team, yeah, we're going 0-8. What?
Oh, and 8, we didn't go to the playoff. No playoffs.
Yeah, we're going 0-8.
Okay, we're here now in Winco. Oh, here is Winco. So, madto ko sa sulod kayong palit ko gamay. Paliton. So, banana or waffle, guys. Is cookies and cake. Ako nakalit banana, manga. This a steak in here is so expensive. Steak. It's a chicken. The beef combo chicken is cheaper today. It's 9. 118. Huwag kami ang favorito or chicken on waffle. Hawaiian. Ug homemade na hamburger buns. June 13. It's for in this it's for June 13. Guys, nanakot grocery. So, ayan, ang aking grocery. Nandiit lang. Look at that dog in there inside.
Let me just zoom in.
Social have a... Oh, they turn off now.
There's somebody in there with them.
Have there?
One's
no,
over
no.
in the back seat over the other side.
Okay guys, we're in McDonald's. And there you go. Welcome. Use the deal. Ooh.
Okay.
You got the code, RJ?
Yeah, I already got it.
Oh, okay.
Already did. So, spicy crispy or the McCrispy?
I not know.
So, just the regular McCrispy.
$5 that RJ. You said $2. $5 RJ. Not available. Midnight.
Okay. Well, it's not midnight yet.
You said $2 RJ.
Daddy said $2.
It's not $2. Look at that. It's this is $2 that you want to buy
That's
spicy.
why it's spicy. Okay, mommy,
Yeah.
you stay here.
Okay. This RJ asking. Guys, that's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye bye.